Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying which link to remove and why, typically from the clasp side for balance. Once done, lock the bracelet in a holder and orient an arrow-marked link so the pin will push out the correct direction. You use a pin pusher against the pin head and steady pressure, not force. This prevents bending. Make sure to secure small parts in a tray. If a screw-type link appears, swap to a precision screwdriver and gently loosen the screw instead. Now you focus on the middle mechanical step, driving the pin or removing the screw. Hold the bracelet firmly and tap the pin pusher lightly until the pin protrudes, then extract with tweezers. For screw-link designs, hold the head with the tool and back the screw out slowly to avoid stripping threads. Make sure to note orientation of any collars or sleeves. They often fall loose. Once removed, measure the gap to confirm you removed the correct number of links for fit. Finish by aligning the two link ends and reinserting the original pin or screw in the proper direction. Arrows show the correct orientation. Gently tap a pin flush or tighten a screw until snug. Do not over-torque, which can strip soft metal. Once connected, flex the bracelet to confirm the link seats and holds. Make sure to wear the watch and check for comfort and any noise. If the link shifts or rattles, recheck pin seating and replace any damaged pin or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.